Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help out the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right into today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer, anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I'm not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today guys, you guys can see we are currently sitting at $2.72 trillion. We are up 0.8% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 39.5%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, we are starting to see some mild red across the board over the last 1 hour, but over the last 24 hours, guys, we're still in very green, and that should not be ignored. Some coins up double digits, so you guys can see the market is starting to recover, starting to rebound after that bloodbath we saw over the last couple of days. But that is very normal in the wild west of cryptocurrencies, and I believe as we go into this month of December, we are going to end this year of 2021 with a very exciting time. But today guys, I want to talk about none other than one coin, and that is Solana. All right, my Solana family, thank you. I always like to start off this video with thanking each and every one of you guys that has been absolutely killing it with the support. I love you all, each and every one of you guys. Just remember, your support does not go unnoticed. If we are looking at the Solana price right now, guys, you guys can see we are holding above that $200 mark very strongly, so we will definitely take that. Currently, we are trading at $203.19. We are up 0.4% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also up 0.7% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Solana is holding nice and strong at the top 5th spot in the coin market cap ranking. Market cap right now is $61.7 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is exactly the same as yesterday at $1.95 billion. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, in just the last year alone, we're still up 10,520%. So, let's not forget that when we are looking at the prices for Solana. But before we begin, getting into the exciting stuff, the technicals, I want to share something very interesting that I came across. So let's get right into it. So, Sam Bankman-Fried, who is the FTX, owner, came out and said in an interview that the next Bitcoin would be a blockchain. Hear this out. He said the next Bitcoin would be a blockchain with a high throughput like Solana and Avalanche. The next Bitcoin has to be a blockchain with the potential to process thousands of transactions per second. Since the Solana blockchain can process 50,000 transactions per second, Sam Bankman-Fried sees the potential in the Solana becoming the next Bitcoin. That is a little, that's a little too good to be true, but never know. You never know. But I don't really think anything can dethrone the king itself, Bitcoin. But I do see one of the next coins, one of the next big coins such as Cardano or Solana really taking over Ethereum in the next coming years, because again, the scalability issue that I have been talking about for quite some time that Ethereum has. And guess what's solving it? Solana, Avalanche, Cardano, and the list goes on and on. So you guys really get to see how much pressure Ethereum is really in, and what Vitalik is probably wondering as we speak. So influential investors are bullish on Solana, contributing to a rise in the altcoins adoption. In a recent interview with Kitco, Sam Bankman-Fried lauded Solana for the protocol's ability to scale to millions of transactions per second, exactly what I just mentioned earlier. The FTX CEO said that it makes Solana an integral part of cryptocurrencies adoption and the next Bitcoin. Solana scalability could help it evolve in the new Ethereum or Bitcoin, and SBF was quoted as saying, "I'm optimistic about Solana." She has every chance of doing this, which is very interesting, I think. Very good comments being made, by Sam, but taking over Bitcoin, that's a little bit of a stretch. But like I said, Never say never. Now, if we are looking at the prices of Solana, guys, my Solana family, as you guys can see, we are still chilling. Second day in a row, we're still chilling in the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level. And us Crypto ZX family over here, we take the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level as the all-time high territory, and that's exactly what's happening right now. But one thing that we want to see, obviously, is for us to break out of this next level of resistance at this $218 level. We have not seen that happen over the past couple hours, but I believe as we go into the month of December, we will start moving back up above this level of resistance. We need to keep one thing in mind is that Bitcoin is still not out of the waters just yet, because you guys know I want Bitcoin to stay above that $60,245 level, and we are really in for a test this time around. You guys can see we got rejected that one time we tried to break out of it. The second time when we went all the way up to 59,333, we didn't even touch this level of resistance. This time around, let's hope that this was not a higher low that we just created. So it's $58,670 that we touched just yesterday. So let's see what happens. I personally want Bitcoin to break out of this level, but overall market momentum is getting very excited. It's getting very, very bullish again, because obviously the month of December is coming, and I believe we are going to see some crazy price actions in the month of December. So all eyes are still on the $60,245 level. Until then, we are not out of the books just yet. Looking at the price of Solana, guys, we are ready to smash past all-time highs. I have been saying this for quite a while, and the time is coming, and I believe the month of December is the time where we really do break out of this all-time high that we set just on just this month on November 6th. If I am bringing out the measuring tool for you guys, that would mean that we would need a push of about 27.38% for all-time highs, guys. Only 27.38% to break all-time highs. So gear up, guys, especially the Solana holders, guys. Our time is coming, and your patience will be rewarded. I know it's crazy to say your patience will be rewarded, but the fact that we are ignoring that Solana is up 10,500% over the one last year alone. Crazy, isn't it? It's very crazy. A lot of people, including myself, tend to forget that part sometimes. But Solana is just so bullish, guys. It's extremely bullish, and it is putting major competition on Ethereum blockchain. And what Sam said in the interview that I showed you is just one example as to one of the biggest people in the cryptocurrency space talking about what the overall Solana's future really could be like, and how it could take over Ethereum. I have been saying this for quite a while before even Sam, guys. I have been saying this. So where is my article, guys? Where Crypto ZX stated this? I'm just kidding, guys. I'm just messing around. But I have been saying this because Ethereum's scalability issue, that has not been a secret. That has not been a secret. We have been seeing that happen for quite some time, and it's just gotten so out of hand that we are starting to see some new projects come in. Obviously, Ethereum has been saying we're gonna do that ETH 2.0 upgrade, all that good stuff, but guess what, guys? Nothing has solved that scalability issue, and sooner rather than later, there is going to be a competitor that comes and tries to beat you, and that's the competitive advantage on newer comers, that especially the ones that have step forward from the project they are competing with. So in this case, Solana, Cardano, Avalanche, Polkadot, the list goes on and on, are the ones that are trying to be the next Ethereum killer. And we have been hearing this term ETH killer for the absolute longest time. Especially, you guys would know if you're in it for the long. I'm sorry, if you're in here in this market for quite some time. You guys know we've been hearing this term ETH killer for quite some time, and we never really saw a coin really take over that Ethereum spot at the top number 2. We never did. And the coin that really does do that, guys, is going to literally shake the cryptocurrency, market once that happens, because that is going to be a part of history. By no means am I saying Ethereum is going somewhere. Absolutely not. Ethereum is not going anywhere. Ethereum is here to stay. It has built up its credibility over the years, but now it is seen more of a store of value rather than development side of it. That's why we're seeing so much interest coming in from developers along with institutions into blockchain coins such as Solana. So a lot of people are saying Solana is the next Ethereum killer. Some people are even saying Solana could be the next Bitcoin, which I believe is a little too crazy to think. But like I said, never say never. You never know what happens. Well, maybe like 5, 10 years down the road, we are sitting at top spot, and then you come back to me and say, "Hey, Crypto ZX, you said that's unrealistic, but look where we're at." Like I said, never say never, but that is a little too optimistic because, you know, Bitcoin is the king. I just cannot personally see Bitcoin, going to top two, top three spot because literally the entire market just runs off Bitcoin. So, that's just a little, too optimistic. But Ethereum definitely, and I have been saying that myself, I could see Solana being one of the competitors to take over Ethereum in the upcoming future. But right now, for the short-term price, guys, like I said, we're still in the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level. And right now, all eyes are on this level, $218, guys. This is the next level we should be keeping an eye out on because you guys can see this is a nice level of support for us, but also it is playing as a level of resistance right now. So we really need to break out of this range, and then we are talking. Once we're above this range, guys, basically we are, ready for all-time highs anytime. So, we do need to keep this price point very, very close in our minds. Looking at a Bitcoin price, like I said, I wanted to go above that $60,200 mark, and then we are out of the woods. BTC dominance has been declining, but should not be taken, too seriously right now. Let's not get too excited about that altcoin season that everyone is anticipating. I still do believe that Bitcoin still has steam to hit all-time highs before we do see altcoins pop off. But that does not mean that if Bitcoin sees all-time highs, the altcoins are not going to pop off. Altcoins are definitely going to follow with the overall momentum. And once again, guys, number one most staked asset, what is it? What is it? It is Solana. What's number two? It's Cardano. What's number three? Okay, Ethereum. What's number four? Avalanche. And number five, Polkadot. Six, Terra. Binance Smart Chain. You guys really get to see what has been going on over the past 1.5 year in the cryptocurrency space. And Solana has really been killing it, and 77.3% of the circulation supply is stake right now. So if you're in it for the long haul, guys, what are you waiting for? Stake your Solana so you can earn passive income rather than just holding in and not earning anything. So I always love telling this to my viewers because I know a lot of people sleep on that fact, but I want you guys to take advantage of it, especially if you're in it for the long haul. So, just stake, forget about it, and come back a couple years down the road and see where Solana really is, especially if you're in it for the long haul. But let me know in the comment section below, what are you guys doing right now, and where could you see Solana price go at the end of this year? I would love to know your thoughts down below. And do you really think Solana could take over Ethereum and possibly Bitcoin? Not that I think, in the immediate to mid short term. Leave it in the comment section below. And again, guys, I am giving away that one Solana to that one lucky winner. We're still not able to reach that 500 likes, guys. You guys still have 2 hours to like on this video, but I don't think we will be able to reach 500 likes on that one. But, this goes on until I am able to give away. I want to give this away, but we need to reach these likes, guys. So go in the comment section below, like, comment, and subscribe. That's all you need to do, and you are entered. If we are able to reach 500 likes on this video 24 hours after being uploaded, then one lucky winner will get one Solana token from myself as a token of appreciation. I love you all. Thank you so much for all the support that you guys show me. And just remember, your support does not go unnoticed. I really, really do appreciate you guys. And from the bottom of my heart, thank you, thank you, thank you. I love you all. Stay safe out there. Safety, health, and family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.